Hi guys! Today we are making bread lasagna. It's a very different recipe, plus it have a bit taste of pizza. So let's go to the recipe. First, take 2 tomatoes and boil it very well. After some time our tomato is boiled very well. Now take it out. You have to take the tomato carefully. Now to make puree, take that 2 tomato when it's cooled down and grind it well. It should be like this, like a fine paste. Now separate to other bowl. Now take breads and cut the edges. Here we take 8 to 10 breads. Now cut the edges. It's better to not to cut the white part, cut the brown part. Now take one bread and take a roller and roll it very well. It should be very nicely and very flat. Have to use good quality bread, otherwise it will break when we are flattening. After that rolling, the bread should look like this. Now take a bowl to make white sauce. Take 3 tablespoons of butter and melt it well. You can take more butter if you are making more quantity. Now take 3 tablespoons of maida or flour. And when we add maida, you have to mix it well, otherwise it will stick in the edges. Now let's add 1 cup of milk and mix it well. When we are making white sauce pasta, don't forget to mix, otherwise it will stick in the edges. Now add 1 teaspoon of oregano and don't stop mixing, mix it well. Now add salt as per taste. Now our white sauce is ready. Now let's make red sauce. For that, 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Now add chopped onion, 1 medium size. When the garlic and onion come lightish brown, you can add other. Now add tomato puree that we make before. Same like that, when the tomato puree smell come down, let's add other. Now add 1 teaspoon chili powder, crushed chili 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon. Don't add too much oregano because we are adding oregano into oil. Now mix it well. And one more thing, if you add Kashmiri chili powder, that's not very spicy and it will give an amazing color. Now add 1 pinch of salt into it. Mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Now add sugar 1/2 teaspoon. Our red sauce is ready. Now for filling, we can make vegetables. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil, then add chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Now add boiled sweet corn 1/2 cup and mix it well. Now add 2 small sized capsicum and add into it and mix it well. Now add tomatoes 1 small size and add carrot 1/2 cup and mix it well. Don't cook the vegetable too much because we need a good crunch plus a good taste. So don't cook the vegetable too much. Now add oregano 1 teaspoon chili flakes 1 teaspoon and mix it well. Now last, salt as per your taste. Don't add too much salt because we are adding all things salt, so it will be very salty, so don't add too much salt. Now our vegetable is ready. Let's make bread lasagna. For that, in the first add red sauce and spread it evenly. Use a spoon and spread it very nicely. You have to get inside of every corner. Now add white sauce and spread it same. Now take the flattened bread and keep into it. Now add red sauce after adding bread and spread it evenly. We will add other all things one by one. After spreading the red sauce, now add the white sauce and spread it samely. Red and white sauce has the different taste, but I like white sauce more, so I am adding white sauce more. Now after that, add the vegetable after adding that both sauce. Now take the grated cheese and add. You can add other all type of cheese, but mozzarella has a very good combination with bread lasagna. So I am adding the layer of cheese after adding that both. Now keep the bread layer after adding the sauce and cheese and vegetables. After adding the bread layer, press it slowly. Don't press too much, otherwise it will break. Now add the next layer, the red sauce, and after that add the white sauce and spread it well. After that, add the grated cheese. As I say, I am using mozzarella cheese. If you don't have, you can use other type of cheese. After that, add the white and red sauce and spread it nicely. After adding the sauce, add the veggies at the top. Spread it slowly. Now our layer is ready. Now preheat the pan for 10 minutes and keep the mold into it. When we are keeping the mold, you have to keep it slowly, otherwise you will burn your hands. Now take the olives and spread it on the top and close the mold and cook the lasagna for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our bread lasagna is ready. It's very cheesy plus it's very creamy. And when it's done, you have to add some chili flakes on the top. It's optional. If you want, you can add. Now cut it and serve into the plate. Definitely try this recipe because at least you have to try one time, and if you like it, definitely try this recipe on the party time because it's just awesome, and the red and white sauce has the very good combination, and we already make the recipe of red and white sauce pasta. If you didn't see, go and check it out. So please subscribe, like and share. See you soon guys. Bye.